Which gland is often called the master gland because it controls other endocrine glands? A. Thyroid gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is B. The pituitary gland is often called the master gland because it secretes hormones that control other endocrine glands in the body. Insulin is a hormone produced by which organ in the body? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Thyroid gland. The correct answer is B. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. What is the primary function of the thyroid gland in the endocrine system? A. Regulating calcium levels. B. Regulating metabolism. C. Regulating blood sugar levels. D. Regulating blood pressure. The correct answer is B. The primary function of the thyroid gland is to regulate metabolism by releasing hormones such as thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3. What is the role of the parathyroid glands in the endocrine system? A. Regulating calcium levels. B. Regulating metabolism. C. Regulating blood sugar levels. D. Regulating blood pressure. The correct answer is A. The parathyroid glands regulate calcium levels in the body by releasing parathyroid hormone, or PTH. Which gland produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms? A. Adrenal gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Pancreas. D. Pineal gland. The correct answer is D. The pineal gland produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms. What is the main feedback mechanism regulating hormone levels in the body? A. Positive feedback. B. Negative feedback. C. Neutral feedback. D. Feedback inhibition. The correct answer is B. The main feedback mechanism regulating hormone levels is negative feedback. This means a hormone's secretion is inhibited by the hormone itself. Which hormone stimulates milk production in the mammary glands after childbirth? A. Oxytocin. B. Thyroxine. C. Prolactin. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is C. Prolactin is the hormone responsible for stimulating milk production in the mammary glands after childbirth. What is the main function of the adrenal glands in the endocrine system? A. Regulating calcium levels. B. Regulating metabolism. C. Regulating blood sugar levels. D. Regulating stress response. The correct answer is D. The main function of the adrenal glands is to regulate the body's stress response by producing hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Which condition is characterized by an underactive thyroid gland, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance? A. Type 1 diabetes. B. Cushing's syndrome. C. Addison's disease. D. Hypothyroidism. The correct answer is D. Hypothyroidism is a condition characterized by an underactive thyroid gland, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance. Which gland produces and releases growth hormone? A. Pituitary gland. B. Pancreas. C. Adrenal gland. D. Thyroid gland. The correct answer is A. The pituitary gland, often called the master gland, produces and releases growth hormone. This hormone plays a key role in growth, metabolism, and cell repair. What disorder is characterized by high levels of cortisol, leading to weight gain, high blood pressure, and muscle weakness? A. Cushing's syndrome. B. Addison's disease. C. Graves' disease. D. Hypothyroidism. The correct answer is A. Cushing's syndrome is caused by prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol. This can be due to the body producing too much cortisol, or from external sources like medication. Which hormone stimulates ovulation in females and regulates testosterone in males? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. D. Luteinizing hormone, or LH. The correct answer is D. Luteinizing hormone, LH, stimulates ovulation in females. It also triggers testosterone production in males by the testes. Which hormone regulates calcium levels? It stimulates calcium absorption in the intestines and reduces calcium excretion by the kidneys. A. Calcitonin. B. Parathyroid hormone. C. Thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH. D. Aldosterone. The correct answer is B. Parathyroid hormone, or PTH, helps maintain calcium balance by increasing blood calcium levels. It does this through several mechanisms, including boosting calcium absorption from the intestines. What is the hormone responsible for signaling the body's response to stress, increasing heart rate, and dilating blood vessels to supply more oxygen to muscles? A. Cortisol. B. Epinephrine. C. Insulin. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is B. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is released in response to stress and triggers the fight-or-flight response by increasing heart rate, dilating airways, and mobilizing energy stores. Which gland produces aldosterone, the hormone that regulates blood pressure and electrolyte balance? A. Thyroid gland. B. Adrenal gland. C. Pituitary gland. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is B. The adrenal glands, located on top of the kidneys, produce aldosterone. This hormone helps regulate blood pressure by controlling sodium and potassium levels in the body. Which hormone stimulates red blood cell production in the bone marrow, maintaining oxygen levels? A. Erythropoietin. B. Thyroxine. C. Cortisol. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is A. Erythropoietin is a hormone produced primarily by the kidneys. In response to low oxygen levels in the blood, it stimulates the production of red blood cells. This increases the body's ability to carry oxygen. What is the hormone responsible for regulating the body's metabolism, energy production, and temperature control? A. Estrogen. B. Insulin. C. Cortisol. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is D. Thyroxine, also known as T4, is produced by the thyroid gland and plays a crucial role in metabolic processes in the body. What is the hormone responsible for promoting water retention in the kidneys and regulating blood pressure through vasoconstriction? A. Calcitonin. B. Aldosterone. C. Glucagon. D. Progesterone. The correct answer is B. Aldosterone is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands. It helps maintain electrolyte balance and blood pressure by increasing sodium and water reabsorption in the kidneys. Which hormone stimulates the growth and development of male reproductive tissues, like the testes and prostate gland? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Testosterone. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is C. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone. It's mainly produced in the testes. It's essential for the development of male reproductive organs and secondary sexual characteristics. What is the hormone responsible for regulating the body's response to stress, inflammation, and immune system suppression? A. Epinephrine. B. Cortisol. C. Insulin. D. parathyroid hormone. The correct answer is B. Cortisol, known as the stress hormone, is produced by the adrenal glands and plays a vital role in the body's stress response and immune regulation. Which disorder is characterized by the body's inability to produce enough insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels and potential complications in the eyes, kidneys, and nerves? A. Hyperthyroidism. B. Addison's disease. C. Hypoglycemia. D. Diabetes mellitus. The correct answer is D. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic condition where the body cannot effectively regulate blood sugar levels due to insulin deficiency or resistance. What hormone regulates the menstrual cycle, promotes uterine lining growth, and supports pregnancy? A. Estradiol. B. Luteinizing hormone. C. Progesterone. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is C. Progesterone is a hormone produced by the ovaries. It helps prepare the uterus for pregnancy by maintaining the uterine lining and supporting early pregnancy. Which hormone regulates the body's response to low blood sugar, stimulating glycogen breakdown to release glucose into the bloodstream? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Thyroxine. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is B. Glucagon is produced by the pancreas and acts opposite to insulin, increasing blood sugar levels by promoting glycogen breakdown and glucose release from the liver. What endocrine disorder results from excessive growth hormone in adults, leading to enlarged hands, feet, and facial features? A. Gigantism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Cushing's syndrome. D. Acromegaly. The correct answer is D. Acromegaly is a condition caused by a pituitary tumor. It stimulates excessive growth hormone production, resulting in gradual enlargement of body tissues and organs. Which hormone promotes milk ejection from the mammary glands during breastfeeding and enhances bonding between mother and infant? A. Prolactin. B. Thyroxine. C. Cortisol. D. Melatonin. The correct answer is A. Prolactin is a hormone produced by the pituitary gland. It stimulates milk production and milk ejection during breastfeeding. It also promotes maternal nurturing behaviors. What is the hormone responsible for regulating blood calcium levels by stimulating calcium release from bones, increasing calcium absorption in the intestines, and reducing calcium excretion by the kidneys? A. Insulin. B. Calcitonin. C. Parathyroid hormone. D. Aldosterone. The correct answer is C. Parathyroid hormone, produced by the parathyroid glands, plays a key role in calcium homeostasis. It increases blood calcium levels through bone resorption, intestinal absorption, and renal reabsorption of calcium. Which of the following glands is responsible for producing and secreting cortisol? A. Adrenal glands. B. Pituitary glands. C. Thyroid glands. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is A. The adrenal glands produce and secrete cortisol, the stress hormone. What is the primary hormone produced by the adrenal medulla in response to stress? A. Cortisol. B. Insulin. C. Epinephrine. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is C. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is the primary hormone produced by the adrenal medulla in response to stress. Which hormone regulates the body's metabolism and energy production? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Estrogen. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is B. Thyroxine, produced by the thyroid gland, is responsible for regulating the body's metabolism and energy production. What is the hormone responsible for promoting ovulation in females and regulating testosterone production in males? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Luteinizing hormone. D. Follicle stimulating hormone. The correct answer is C. Luteinizing hormone stimulates ovulation in females and regulates testosterone production in males. Which gland produces melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms? A. Thymus gland. B. Pineal gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is B. The pineal gland produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms. What hormone signals the body's stress response, increasing heart rate and dilating blood vessels? A. Insulin. B. Aldosterone. C. Epinephrine. D. Glucagon. The correct answer is C. Epinephrine signals the body's stress response, increasing heart rate and dilating blood vessels to supply more oxygen to muscles. Which hormone regulates calcium levels by stimulating calcium absorption in the intestines and reducing calcium excretion by the kidneys? A. Calcitonin. B. Parathyroid hormone. C. Thyroxine. D. Aldosterone. The correct answer is B. Parathyroid hormone regulates calcium levels by increasing absorption in the intestines and reducing excretion by the kidneys. What is the primary hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the body? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Cortisol. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is A. Insulin is the primary hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the body. Which disorder results from insufficient thyroid hormone production, causing fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance? A. Cushing's syndrome. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Hypothyroidism. D. Addison's disease. The correct answer is C. Hypothyroidism is characterized by an underactive thyroid gland, resulting in symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance. What hormone supports pregnancy, grows the uterine lining, and regulates the menstrual cycle? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Luteinizing hormone. D. Insulin. The correct answer is A. Progesterone supports pregnancy, promotes uterine lining growth, and helps regulate the menstrual cycle. Which hormone stimulates the development and growth of female reproductive tissues, like the ovaries and uterus? A. Estrogen. B. Testosterone. C. Progesterone. D. Prolactin. The correct answer is A. Estrogen is the hormone responsible for stimulating the development and growth of female reproductive tissues, including the ovaries and uterus. What is the hormone responsible for promoting the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial hair growth and deepening of the voice? A. Insulin. B. Estrogen. C. Progesterone. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is D. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for promoting the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial hair growth and a deepening of the voice. Which disorder is characterized by the body's inability to produce enough cortisol, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and low blood pressure? A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Addison's disease. D. Cushing's syndrome. The correct answer is C. Addison's disease is characterized by the body's inability to produce enough cortisol, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and low blood pressure. What hormone regulates the body's fluid and electrolyte balance, mainly by increasing sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion in the kidneys? A. Aldosterone. B. Thyroxine. C. Cortisol. D. HGH. The correct answer is A. Aldosterone is the hormone responsible for regulating the body's fluid and electrolyte balance, especially by promoting sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion in the kidneys. Which hormone stimulates red blood cell production and release from bone marrow, maintaining blood's oxygen-carrying capacity? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Erythropoietin. D. Parathyroid hormone. The correct answer is C. Erythropoietin is the hormone responsible for stimulating the production and release of red blood cells from the bone marrow, helping maintain oxygen-carrying capacity in the blood. What condition is marked by the body's poor response to insulin, causing high blood sugar and possible eye, kidney, and nerve problems? A. Type 1 diabetes. B. Type 2 diabetes. C. Hyperthyroidism. D. Hypothyroidism. The correct answer is B. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by the body's inability to respond to insulin effectively, leading to high blood sugar levels and potential complications in the eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Which hormone promotes lactation and milk production in the mammary glands after childbirth? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Prolactin. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is C. Prolactin is the hormone responsible for promoting lactation and milk production in the mammary glands following childbirth. What is the hormone primarily responsible for regulating the body's metabolism, energy production, and temperature control? A. Cortisol. B. Thyroxine. C. Insulin. D. Melatonin. The correct answer is B. Thyroxine, also known as thyroid hormone, is primarily responsible for regulating the body's metabolism, energy production, and temperature control. Which gland makes and releases insulin and glucagon, the hormones that control blood sugar? A. Thyroid gland. B. Pancreas. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is B. The pancreas produces and releases insulin and glucagon. These hormones regulate blood sugar levels. What is the hormone responsible for promoting bone growth, protein synthesis, and cell reproduction in the body? A. Prolactin. B. Insulin. C. Melatonin. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is D. Growth hormone promotes bone growth, protein synthesis, and cell reproduction. What hormone regulates the body's biological clock and sleep-wake cycles? A. Insulin. B. Cortisol. C. Melatonin. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is C. Melatonin, produced by the pineal gland, helps regulate sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms. Which hormone is primarily responsible for regulating the body's response to stress, controlling inflammation, and suppressing the immune system? A. Cortisol. B. Adrenaline. C. Estrogen. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is A. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, plays a key role in the body's stress response. What feedback mechanism regulates hormone levels by inhibiting further production when levels are too high? A. Positive feedback. B. Negative feedback. C. Feed-forward control. D. Reflex control. The correct answer is B. Negative feedback loops help maintain hormone levels within a narrow range. Which hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4? A. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH. B. Thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. D. growth hormone, or GH? The correct answer is B. Thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH, released by the pituitary gland, regulates thyroid function. Which disorder results from the body's inability to produce enough cortisol due to damage or dysfunction of the adrenal glands? A. Cushing's syndrome. B. Addison's disease. C. Graves' disease. D. Hashimoto's thyroiditis. The correct answer is B. Addison's disease is characterized by adrenal insufficiency and low cortisol levels. What hormone promotes sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion in the kidneys to regulate fluid and electrolyte balance? A. Aldosterone. B. Vasopressin. C. Insulin. D. Glucagon. The correct answer is A. Aldosterone, produced by the adrenal glands, helps maintain blood pressure and electrolyte balance. Which hormone stimulates uterine contractions during labor and milk ejection during breastfeeding? A. Oxytocin. B. Prolactin. C. Progesterone. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is A. Oxytocin plays a role in labor, lactation, and social bonding. What endocrine disorder is characterized by high levels of thyroid hormones, leading to symptoms such as weight loss, rapid heart rate, and heat intolerance? A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Diabetes mellitus. D. Osteoporosis. The correct answer is B. Hyperthyroidism results from excessive thyroid hormone production. What is the primary hormone produced by the pancreas to lower blood sugar levels by facilitating glucose uptake into cells? A. Glucagon. B. Epinephrine. C. Thyroxine. D. Insulin. The correct answer is D. Insulin is crucial for glucose regulation and energy metabolism in the body.